What is up, Ryan, coming at you from Daily Guitar, Zero to Mastery. And what we're going to do right now is discuss bar chords for beginners. You're coming across the F, you're coming across the B minor, and it's giving you some problems. Believe me, I've been there, all right? So I'm gonna give you the most amount of firepower to tackle this and a practice drill to hone the skill of the bar chord. Now, it can take you likely a month to be able to play these comfortably, up to 2 months or even 3 to 4 months, depending on how much strength you have in your hand. Now, obviously, you will 100% be able to do this. Do not give up on yourself. You will improve every single time you do this, okay? So let's come across the F. I'm going to put the full F chord on the screen so we see the F. We see where everything needs to be, okay? So when you come across your F, right here, we got our pinky, we've got our ring, we've got our middle here, and then boom, we're laying across the top. Now, just coincidentally, if you need to do a minor, just lift that finger, you got your F minor, okay? So let's cover right there. We are going to, there's your F bar. Now, what's giving you problems is obviously this finger not cooperating. I totally get that. So what you're gonna do is make sure that you've got your fingers tight as they can be to the fret, and then lay this thumb position. Make sure that you have your thumb really squeeze in here, okay? The thumb's gonna control this. Now, squeeze real hard, okay? Now, think about this is going to the gym. You don't just throw 225 on bench press and be able to do it right out of the gate. You've got to strengthen that finger day by day with consistency. So start to work your bar. Now, you're gonna lay it right over on top of the fret and just get really good at squeezing and controlling. Now, once you get the F, just play it. In fact, drop the pick, play it with your thumb, and find out where the problem is. For me, the problem was like in here at first, okay? It was in the upper strings. So I'm pressing. You'll know right where your problem is. And even just doing this now, I can feel it, okay? It's giving me a little bit of a workout. No harm, no foul with that, it's supposed to. So now, once you get the F, slide it to the G. That's your G chord, exact same as your regular G, okay? Exact same as your regular G. So bring it in, work the F and work the G, just like you would when you're training in the gym. Look, rep, rep, rep. Do a few daily reps, okay? Now, I've seen people have problems with the G and the F, or the F bar chord and the B minor bar chord. So it's funny because it's a toss-up. Some people say that the F is harder. Some people say the B minor is harder. For me, the B minor was really tough. I don't know why that is. It's just that's the way it was for me. So let me know which one is tougher for you. I'm very genuinely curious to know. So let's look at our B minor here. Okay, there's our B, second fret right here, A string, second fret. I'm on the B. Now, on that B minor, remember, what we want to do is find out where the problem is and if there is a problem. So there we go, okay? So playing it smooth. Now, you want to play a C minor. Slide it one up. There's your C minor, okay? Nice, right? And we won't get into where the frets lay and everything. This is all about strengthening that bar chord. So let me give you this direct exercise to go through the F, your F, and to really just get the hang of it. Starting position for this nice little drill. Don't use a pick, just nice little thumb strum here, okay? So right here, we're on G. Give me the down strum, slide it, okay? We are now on the F sharp or the G flat. Slide it, bring it down, bring everything down to the B, and now take it to your E, okay? Now, this particular chord pattern is a very fun chord pattern to play, good songwriting chord pattern, but also, look, It's not likely that if you're just starting out with bar chords that yours is going to sound that way. That's okay. It's meant to be built up over time. So let's go through it. So G, G, slide it, F sharp, bring everything down. It's going to be a little tricky at first. Hit that B, hit that E. Okay, that's it. Now obviously if you can play the F sharp, you can play your F. Okay, but this is going to allow you to go through that motion, and it allows you to keep the strength, letting up a little bit, strength, dropping down, strength, just like that. Here, E. Okay, and now if you're strumming, nice little exercise, right? Forcing you to use 3 bar chords in close proximity. You're also getting down to the B minor, which it takes a lot to hold that shape. That's why it's powerful. It's challenging to hold that shape as you drop. Now we're sliding. Boom. Okay. Now this was an especially hard thing for me to learn because college, I've had this finger broken many times. You can see it. That's a story for another time. But this finger has been broken many times. So this finger is genuinely weak. So if I can get this bar chord, you will 100% be crushing the bar chords. I promise you. Do not give up on yourself. Boom, boom, and don't rush it. Is really what I mean. You're not going to give up on yourself, but don't rush the process. So G, F sharp, bring it down to the B. You will 100% come to this, save this video and use that little. It ends up making a pretty cool, do a little songwriting to it. Got the bar chord running wild. Yeah, I know it's a pain. There you go, right? This is bar chords, daily guitar. I was practicing my bar chords today. I'm running tips and just all beginner content, tips, how to get things done, trying to save you headaches that I went through when I was learning. So I'm excited to progress with you. Tap through, give me a sub, and I will see you right here in the next one.